Hey there, it is Silver Relief here, leader of Silver, back for another video. This time we'll be doing a little fun. I haven't really done one of these videos. It'll be introducing Silver Jetski, and I will make another video where it's introducing Silver Sweetheart and everybody else in the clan. We did get a new player. You'll see. It's gonna be fun though. But Jetski, how long have you been in the clan?
A month, I think, or so.
I think it's about a month.
That's right.
What's your part in the clan?
Collier.
Okay. In any Call of Duty, really, what do you mainly do?
I snipe, mostly.
Alright.
Mostly, occasionally red gun here and there, but mainly snipe.
Trick shot, feed, anything particular?
No, I'm not good, so.
Yeah, you're beating me. But then again, this is my first game on.
Yeah.
Let me think. Yeah, you're not hitting me on that again.
That almost hit me.
Let me think what like other people ask, and let me think what I would only ask. Well, favorite Call of Duty?
Black Ops 3.
You've played it?
Yep.
Do you
I
own
actually
it?
just got done playing it. No,
Oh,
I don't.
oh. How'd you play it then?
Yeah, friend.
Alright. Who got you on it to Silver?
On to Silver? That was you.
It was me?
Like, recruited me, or who
Yeah, like
kinda
recruited you.
introduced me to Silver? Yeah, you recruited me.
Who introduced you?
Introduced me, it was Revenge.
Revenge.
Yeah.
Alright. And you said your favorite Call of Duty is Black Ops 3. Now let's see.
Yes.
What's your favorite gun out of all Call of Duties?
Ooh. That's a good question. And kind of a toss-up between the MSR from MW3, the Intervention from Modern Warfare 2, and the Locust from Black Ops 3.
Oh. Okay. What's so different about them that you like? Like, why do you like them?
I don't know, just like the way they shoot, the bolt speed, just how they work.
Alright.
Kinda
Yeah, I understand what you're saying.
I don't know.
I think it's going to 30 kills. Could be wrong.
60 it looks like.
What's your favorite camo? Like on the guns itself. Bringing the suck.
I like Autumn and Modern Warfare 3, honestly. Same with 2.
Like the Autumn and... Wasn't the challenge for Autumn and MW2 like certain amount of headshots?
It was
Fucking attack camper.
equivalent to... Yeah, I wasn't camping. You had it in the middle of nowhere. It was the equivalent to gold in 3.
Ah. So you just had to
It was
level
like
it
the
up?
last camo.
Or was it like headshots? I forgot.
Oh, actually, it might have been headshots, now that I think about it.
Yeah.
I think it was a certain amount of headshots, yeah.
Favorite map out of all of Call of Duty?
Probably Erosion from 3 here.
Why is that?
I'm a beast at spawn camping, or spawn trapping.
Debatable.
Debatable?
Debatable.
Oh, come on.
This will be how many times have you beat me if you beat me?
I think this makes 4.
4.
All times have been with a sniper. I can't beat you with anything else.
You hardly can beat me. It's my first game on. That's really the only reason why, isn't it?
Nope. Because I've beaten you in two of your videos.
Oh, you have?
Beaten you. Yeah, yeah.
I don't think I've beat you in any of the videos, have I?
Nah, I don't think so. I think you were too busy trying to think of what to say.
Probably. Oh, hey,
Oh,
watch it, boy.
Hit.
So, as a co-leader, what do you normally like to do? I don't know exactly how to word it. Like, what do you like that you have in your power?
In my power? Well, you know, kicking people's always fun.
Have you done that yet?
Hold on.
Alright.
Oh no, I was talking to them. Kicking people's always fun. I mean,
how many people have you
probably
kicked?
Like 4 people in the clan, right? Something like that.
Well,
oh, that was nasty.
There is Rabbit, Jetski, Relief, Revenge, someone unnamed, and Sweetheart.
6.
Yep. Yeah, I just can't play. I can't snipe while doing this.
You know, now that I think about it, I don't think I've kicked that. Yeah, I don't think I've kicked anyone out of. What do I do? I don't know. I kind of just join games, third wheel, stuff like that.
Okay. God, are you gonna make it good for last kill?
Probably. Oh, if I hit that.
If you would have hit that, I would have cried.
I just started spinning. I was hoping I hit.
Yeah, I know.
No jump shot.
See, I've noticed the black scopes are actually kind of accurate once you try them.
I guess.
They're not black scopes, half scopes.
Half scopes, quarter scopes.
Yeah. Well, I hit that barrel first, and then I didn't.
Yeah.
I might make a comeback.
Jeez.
This is normally where I make a comeback on him when I'm losing.
I can't 360.
What is so special about you in the clan? Like, what's your specialty?
My specialty?
Yeah.
Well, I mean, I've beat the leader once or twice.
That doesn't say nothing, though. Like,
I don't know, man.
Everybody knows I'm garbage.
Right. Forgot about that. My bad.
So, what makes you so special?
Well, well, you know, I'm thinking of... Huh.
It's a lot harder when you get asked some questions, isn't it?
I suppose. Yeah, I don't know. Ooh, that wall bang.
That was a nasty wall bang. If I would have hit that no scope, I would have cried.
What? I was trying to silent shot no scope and I missed at point blank range. What?
Well, he'll probably get back to you in another video. That was introducing.
That was a 270 BS.
270. That wasn't 270.
Yeah, it was. I was 90 to your left, you turned right. That's a 270. I was not a 360.
That was introducing Silver Jetski. Once again, this was Silver Relief with Silver Sweetheart in the background. Anything you would like to say, Jetski?
That was a 270. That's bull. Great talking to you guys. All that.
Saw that coming. I might take down our old 1v1 and put this up instead.
Figured.
No, I mean, like, I was depending on it anyways, but thanks again for watching. If you guys enjoyed, please like and subscribe. Favorite if you must. That's Twitter. Anyways, adios, ciao, aloha, goodbye, hello, evening, and peace out.